Good morning. Another live. Um, I'm going to wait for a few minutes until a few of the friends hop on. If you're watching this, obviously you are watching replay, so type hashtag replay. That will help pop it up. And for today, I'm going to talk about my Sanajans journey as such. I have list down things because I know once I start talking, I will, I will keep going. So I wanted to talk. Hi Divya. Divya, this is not a replay today. I just started. I haven't finished it. You caught me live, so um, I know. I have so many things to cover. But I want to be precise too. So let me start where I wanted to. Last week we talked about just about me. I just covered a few bits of it. I think I just covered before Senegence. I didn't go much deeper into it. So that's why I wanted to do this one as separate. That's okay, Divya. That's okay. Like I was writing down the points to cover because, as you know, once I start talking about it, I get emotional and I'll be like scrambling around. So I wanted to make sure I cover the important things which I wanted to say, and the so I wore my favorite shirt for the live too because I wanted a little more positivity for me to go in. So I wore my Be Kind shirt. This is one of my favorites. So um, where I want to start? Yeah, okay. I wanted to start where I started my job. Like I was working in IT for 4 years, and Krish was born on February 2009. I worked till January 19th to be precise. I worked till January 19th. Hi Jayashree. Usually I try to catch you live, but never it collides because usually I get ready during this time. Thank you for hopping on my live. Thank you. And congratulations on your business. I see post every day. I know you'll whatever you do, you rock. So congratulations on the new venture. And so as I was talking about, I worked till January 19th, and then I had my maternity break. But it happened that we I was about to join back for my work, but I already had Krish had a severe colicness, so I was going through that. But before that, we got our opportunity to move to US. So I brought him when he was 10 months here to Chicago. So I had my I had my work permit with me that time, but the what to say the domain I was working on, it was like more of a live support, production support kind. So I wasn't ready because even when I searched, I was like none of them were closer to 40 minutes drive or something. It was completely new. It is like we moved to a new country, and I have like a less than a year old, and I don't know to drive that time. So to be frank, I didn't know to drive. So thank you, Jayashree. Thank you. But that's what that was a different phase, I would say. But I was little scared to go back because, as I said, Krish used to be really colicky, so I wasn't ready as a. You all know, I think you all might have gone through when you have a first child and leaving it in daycare or something. It's not easy thing to do. For me, already he was a college child and I didn't know anything about it, and being in a new country, new environment, and having all those, I wasn't ready to step in and take a job which is very far away, because even being a bigger city, Ram also used to work in uptown, so none of us will be closer to home. So I wasn't sure whether I'm ready to step out. So I didn't take the jobs I got. So by the time I realized my work permit has gone, so I was without work permit maybe for, I would say, 4 years, maybe 4 years, until we moved to Charlotte. I was just working on his preschool and all those things. But meanwhile, I was getting into my depression too. I know Chicago used to be my darkest phase, I would say, because without even knowing, everything mattered into it. Like as I said, leaving family behind, leaving the job, having a college child, being a first child. I couldn't, what to say, like, do what I thought of. So it was like everything combined into one. I was slowly moving into depression. So and we moved to Charlotte in 2014, I believe. And then around 16, when the work permit came back. So Ram was keep on asking me whether you want to go back to IT. I tried attending in trainings, but something was not right. I was like, this isn't sparking any joy for me. Like, I mean, I don't know whether this is the right one to do, because I was completely a different person by then. So I was like, I wasn't sure. Like, as I said, I used to say, if I go to a mall, if I go to a place, wherever I see a job sign, I'll be like, I think I want to start that, because I didn't have a clear idea on what I wanted to do. So that is how I was. But meantime, I got my work permit alone, and I was just waiting. I didn't apply for anything. And I used to watch the YouTube series from my upline, Ashley. She had quadruplets, like 4 kids at the same time. With one kid, I was struggling. So that is the one first interested in me. So I was like, how are they managing 4 kids at a time? Because with just one, I was so struggling, and I got into this depression. And you can imagine, with 4 kids at the same age, even if one fell sick, like, everything will catch up. And they all were preemies. So I was so amazed on how much she was able to handle it with the help of her big family. But still, for her age, she used to manage so well. And that is the thing I started that time. So I used to watch her every day. And that time she started showing about Lipsons, and I was curious about it. I was like, I never heard of something like that. So I was watching her videos, but I used to set a goal. Like, I was doing my workouts that time too. So had a goal saying that if I reach that, I will buy my first Lipsons. That's how I set my goal for that. But because I didn't have an idea whether, I didn't even think of doing it as a business that time. So I was just thinking to buy first one. But I think before I bought it, I again fell into depression and stress again around that time. And that's when I got my acne. So by October 17th, I somehow decided that I'm going to sign up, whether I reach my weight loss goal or not. I'm going to just sign up. And if you ask me, I don't even used to wear makeup, or I don't even used to wear any skincare or anything. But after my stress, I have seen my husband, because he already always feels like he's the reason that I didn't go back. But frankly speaking, that's always in my mind. My mom was a working woman, but she took care of us well. But I don't know, somehow I was like, I wanted to be home and attend Krish, because I felt like while in depression, I missed that phase of enjoying with him. So I was like, always wanted to be like a stay home mom, and be part of his everything, whatever he achieves, or in his school things, all those stuff. So this, when I signed up, that was one reason for me thinking that okay, I can do that and also still do a business, because so once I signed up, I remember my first Lipsons I sold on December. That's when my first customer I sold on to. It was so I was so happy because when I bought, I think I just bought like 6 Lipsons, and I didn't even know where to start and what to do, all those stuff. So when I got my first customer, I was so happy to make my first sale, and I didn't have invoices, I didn't have a system in place, all those stuff that time. Like so each day I was like okay, I can do this. So that's how I progressed, because Ram always used to worry about me, because if you ask him, like he was already what to say, like worried that I never used to take care of myself because of the depression. If you have seen my pictures, you can always go back, and I think most of you here are my old friends, and even if you are new, I know you might be in my friends list now, but if you go back and see old pictures before, I would say like even 3-4 years back, you will see how much I used to neglect myself. Like I won't even see mirror at that time, to be frank. When Ram used to be like completely opposite of me. Like he, even at home, he likes to be like perfectly groomed. He'll be like he likes to comb his hair before bed or even while getting up. I'll be completely opposite. I won't even look at the mirror, because I feel like after depression, obviously because of the weight gain and all those stuff, I don't even used to comb, even if I'm going out to drop Krish or picking Krish. Like I'll be like, I don't care. That is how my attitude was. I know it's so many things mattered into it, but that is one thing I was like he was so worried about, because I don't take care of my health, I don't take care of my my skin, or I don't dress up, I don't do anything except being angry or disappointed all the time. So after starting Senegens, it was like, what to say, like every day was a learning for me. So the whole business idea itself is new. Like none of my family had a business, or no one in. Hi Sunita, good morning. Hope you're doing good. And so Sunita is my first customer, I think, online, who bought Lipsons without trying. So she is the first one for me. Even though we live in the same city, she is the first one trusted me on getting the Lipsons online. So thank you so much, Sunita, on that. Now 90% of the customers, I would say, it's anywhere from California to Florida, or even Connecticut to Texas. I have customers all over the US, but being in Charlotte itself, Sunita was my first customer to do an online purchase that time. So as I said, it was like a learning for me. Senegens, that is how I take it. I still remember the days where I used to do videos, but I won't talk or do anything. I'll just do like a fast forward, and I will be doing my videos. I won't even have like a selfie stick or something. I'll just keep it in my bathroom light, and I'll just do it and just include what is that, like wordings or something. But I feel like I have come a long way from there. Like if I take my pictures, I myself will be like cursing myself because you can see it is inside a yellow bathroom light, and the color will be so off from the original shade. Now I take everything outside. I don't edit my pictures at all. I keep even now it is like against a window, so I don't use any extra lighting or something because I don't want to present what is it like a false hope or something. I want you to see the real me. I don't want you to see like makeup artist. Instead, I just wanted to see a newbie who is learning, because I want you to be relatable, because uh, I most of the customers I have are just beginners, and I don't want to be like perfect all the time. I want to see my mistakes. I want to accept my mistakes and learn from there. So as I said, all my pictures are now outside or just in sunlight. So if Charlotte has a gloomy weather, that's what you get that day. I won't touch her. I won't even make it bright or anything, because I think once you are in social media, you get all the comments, whether it's good or bad, you get both. I have people come up and say, why don't you have a background? I have people come up and say, you should what is it like have your hair without all these flyaways. I have people come up and say, why you talk about depression, what your family will think of. But for me, talking about depression is not a bad thing. I feel like I have come a long way after I realized about it. The same way, if it helps even a one person to do that, I'll be so happy, because I know the dark days where I used to lie down in the couch and not move a muscle and still be tired of thinking about it. And the same way, I don't feel ashamed of it. It is nothing in what to say, like nothing bad about talking about it. It is I feel like I am happy that I'm moving forward, and I'm happy that I was able to enjoy even small things in life. For me, always the happiness comes from small things. It has never been into materialistic. Even I used to, me and my husband, we don't even share gifts for anniversary, birthday, or anything in such, like, because both of us have come to a point where we realize only life is meaningful only with these small actions and things, and not in materialistic. So I don't want to go about it, like I will come back to my Sanajan's journey as such. So so for me, that's what, like, and I didn't want to have you an image of like oh, she can do that, like, I mean, she will be able to do even like 5 shadow suns at once, or all those stuff. For me, it should be like a girl next door kind of a makeup, where it is like should be relatable to you, and you should be able to think, okay, I can do that too. If she can, I can do that. That is the image I want to make sure. And as I said, I didn't want to project me as if I am a perfect person all the time. I still break out. I still have grumpy days. I still have tiring days. Everybody go through that, like, I mean, so there is nothing to hide about it. And it's nothing, what to say, like unusual about it. So that is what my thought was. So I always do what I can, but at the same time I will try to push myself a little bit more every time. That way I can learn from that. So that's my goal for that. And I think Divya is the one who came up with the idea of doing 50-day 50 lip syncs. That time I think I did it maybe 8 to 10 months back. That's when I started doing these kind of videos first. So every day that gave me an opportunity to think what I have done and what I can project to. So that was my starting point of doing videos. So I learned about it, like how to edit and how to post, and even I think Instagram I wasn't there until 2018, later part of 2018. That's when I joined. So everywhere I feel like it gives an opportunity for me to learn. That is how I see Sanajan's journey as such. I always think that my sister is so artistic. Her kids are even more, like they had that side of them, but I always feel like I never had. I can't even draw a straight line or even color properly. So but I felt like this is my creative side. I don't think I would have flourished or cherished more if I had done anything else. I felt complete after I started this. Like, I mean, I do my videos wholeheartedly. Like, I mean, every single day I look forward to it. I look forward what I can do, and it is not like just like that. Okay, I need to do something. That's never I felt that way. I always feel like even if I do 2 minutes or 10 minutes, I feel like I find it that part, and I'll try to improve on it, or at least I learn from it. So I felt like choosing Sanajans, even it didn't matter when I started, but as a journey as such, it meant so much to me. And for me, being what to say, like a direct selling company, here you have more opportunity as a for personality development. Even for July, I have registered for a new training. It's going to be from Jamie Star, which is, she's a huge person in Instagram about what to say, like trainings and other things. So I'm going to attend it in July. I have already paid for it. I have registered it, and I'm looking forward for a 3-day training. I don't think all these things I would have been doing if I have done it in a different way, because for me, I will always say I'm an introvert. I don't know. It's like how Ram used to say, like my father said, Aarti will not even talk. That's the first sentence he told him, it seems. So he always still quotes me like, your father told me that you won't even talk. So so I call myself introvert, but I don't think if I haven't started this journey, I would have got these many friends who I am interacting with every single day. In fact, in last year, July, I went to a training with the CEO of the company, Joni. She says she's an introvert. I was like, how can you say that? Because I feel like what to say, like there are two different parts, and I came to realize that, including Ashley, who is my upline, she said that in last week's training. I attend a Zoom call with my entire team every Tuesday around 10 o'clock in the night. If you ask me, all my friends know that I'll be snoozing out by 9:30, but I seriously look forward for that training every week, because you get to meet people from all over the world in the team. It is from Australia to New Zealand to Mexico to UK, so from all over from US. So it is like you get to meet people from all over around the world, and you get to learn every single time you hear them. So she even mentioned that she has anxiety, and she's an introvert too. So when it comes to this thing, I mean, when doing this, it is like you discover your other side, where I don't think I have even dressed up, or I have enjoyed dressing up, or all those growing up. I never used any of the makeup. I never had this much interest in skincare, learning about skincare, why it is important, or what's it does to your skin. All those stuff I never had an interest to learn about it until I started Senegens. So I feel like if I haven't started this journey, my life would have gone without knowing the other side of me at all, even to myself, not to others, even to myself. I wouldn't have discovered this side where I have enjoyed dressing up this much. So doing Senegens is always a blessing. That's what I felt. And even for COVID, as you all know, like this business helped me to still stay positive and connect to so many, and I was able to check with them, and I was able to even if watching this video, I have so many friends who ping me like every single day, we look forward for your video, or what kind of dress up you do. And I have many friends who come up and say that I have dressed up because I have seen you dress up, and it motivated me to do that. Like, I mean, even for my sari post, I know many of you like it, because I know it is like when you see someone with that positive energy, and it flows through the other person too. So that is the aim of this page or this group. That's why I still kept it only for women, and I have kept it private. I can make it public anytime because I still have that capacity, but I don't want to do it. I want it to be like a close-knit group where you can open to share your views. You can be free to share your pictures if you want to, or talk about anything. That is the thing about having a close-knit group. I don't want to be like just for a business perspective where I can make it public and just go about it. I still want to protect the privacy of the people here and do that. And at the same time, Senegens gives me the peacefulness of doing it from anywhere. For example, I have never missed even one event of my son's school or anything, like whether they call for whether he is sick or whether he is I have to pick him for hospital. I can do everything and still do my business without disturbing anything, or I don't have to go ask permission on anybody. I can still do things and post ahead. You won't believe me, like I mean I have 30 posts ready to go even today. Like I have 30 of my posts, like where videos I have done. I can just even go sit for 30 days and I don't have to worry about it, because this business gives me that freedom of doing that from anywhere, any part of the world, whether I'm in vacation in India, whether I'm in vacation here, or even I'm sitting in my couch. I still have the benefit of doing it and continuing it wherever I am. So which I liked about it, because to me, as I said, being with Krish was always important. So I wanted to be part of his, whether he does drama, whether he even does like a school recital, anything. I want to be there as a mom first and then do it. So this Senegens business gave me that freedom, and that gave me the confidence to do it. And people who have known me more than 10 years are in this group. I have my sister who knows me my entire life, and even people who have known me before Senegens are here, like who know me for past 5 to 6 years. They all can vouch for it, like how much I have progressed in these years, because and meeting people was one of the best thing that would have happened, because I have earned a really good friends in this journey, because whether it come to customers who has turned into my friends, or the friends I met along with my team members, everybody impacted my life so much, because here I don't have any comparison to do that. I don't have a person next to me who I have to compete and go up. That is one thing. I think I have, that is my own personal character, and I see it in Krish too, because I don't like to be compared to anybody else instead me. With this business, I don't have any targets to meet from the company. I'm saying, like, they don't push you to do this forcibly. Instead, I can push myself on how much ever I want to, and there are no limits. So it gives me that freedom to grow, but at the same time I'm not pressurized at all, which I really like about it. Because even while working in IT, I think that is one thing I always struggled, because I can vouch for myself, but I hate to be compared against a norm where it is like, you have to be this, you have to be that. That is one thing I always hate, because I know whoever undergone the promotion cycle, they know that what I'm talking about. It is like, you are never compared to yourself, you are always compared against another person. So that is one thing I hate it. So that is my own thing. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I am not like that. When Krish's teacher wrote about him last week, that is one thing I really liked about it. The thing he mentioned is, he likes to be successful, but he also wants everybody around him to be successful. And he mentioned, like, you have done a very good job as a parent. I felt so happy reading that, because as a parent, that's all I wanted to hear. I know he does good in academics, or he does well in any other things, but being a good human being is more important than anything else to me. So I'm so happy to do that. And for Sanagans as such, good morning, Shakti. See, after looking at you every single day, I'm doing it. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much. Like, as I said, that's the one thing that made me so proud to read about it. No, it's both way, I would say. Like, I mean, we are so lucky to have him. I know, like, many say, like, it's really hard to keep kids at home. He's been home for more than 6 weeks now. I think mid March, before I should have left. So till date, touch wood, that never complains being at home, never disturbs us with any work or anything, never asks whether we are going to have outside food, all those stuff. Like, he never bothers us much, and he's always been a kind kid. And no, Shakti, I just trying to do at least twice a week. I was supposed to do all May, but still videos I do every single day during weekday, but live still scares me. You are my role model. I don't do lives as such like you. Thank you, Shakti. Thank you so much. So I'm still learning from you on doing live. So I know, because I keep track. Whatever I start talking, I keep derail and talk about everything else. And so I'm learning to do. Every time when I go live, Ram will be like, "Will you finish in 10 minutes?" And I'll be like, "Yeah. I don't have much to talk about it." And by the time it ends, it will be like minimum 30 minutes. I don't know how I do. So. But I was talking about Sanagans, so I'm always proud to represent Sanagans, because I am myself a product of it. I think just search about acne in my group. I know how many times I have talked about it, but if you see, I have come so long, because that is one reason Ram is always happy about my journey, because without Sanagans, I don't think I would have taken care of myself this much. And a product that really works, like, that is the confidence I have when I talk about to my customers, because I am a product of Sanagans myself too, because I never had taken care of myself in any way, like whether it's been skincare, whether it's been my hair care. Even today, Ram used to oil, he will massage Krish, or he will do. I will say, okay, I will do it, but by the time it comes, I'll be like, no, I'm not doing it, I'll just skip. So I will just move and just go wash my hair with just shampoo, and that's it. I will call it a day. That's how I am. But when it comes to Senegens, that's what, like, they are made completely in US, which is a very big deal, because as you know, running a factory here is not that easy. It is really difficult, and having making it here and shipping it all over the world, even though they operate in different countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, Hong Kong, we have it in every country possible, but they are completely made in US and then shipped out. So that is the main criteria. And then they are like gluten free, vegan free. Vegan, they are sulfate free, paraben free, whatever you call. They are not animal tested, so they are cruelty free all the time, which is a major deal, because I know many of the big companies, they still test on animals. So Senegens never does that. So that's a very big thing when compared to a competitor. And also, if you see, they are actually the products are made from reoccurring natural elements. For example, the volcanic ash, which is kept producing, so they try to utilize products of more of that sense. And even that's why they don't even have like individual paper packaging. It's like it comes in a bulk, and then we do, because to avoid paper products, they don't individually package them at all. So all these small things make Senegens unique from others. Even it is actually, all the products are what to say, like non-GMO, but I think when you have to include that, it again adds to the price to doing each one of them. So that is the why they don't what to say, like stamped as non-GMO. But if you consider, all the products are really of high quality, and the ingredients are also high quality. And if you see Senegens products line, when it comes up, they might have done an extensive research before it launches. At the same time, it's always tested by a third party, not by Senegens. So they always what to say, like give it to a third party company which does all the validations, and the results produced are from unbiased one. So it is like you can very well note that. And having 100% money back guarantee for 12 months is a huge deal on how much they respect customers. It may be working for someone, but somebody may not like it or something for some reason. They still want to give you that benefit, and they have it for 12 months, not 1 or 2 months. You still have 12 months money back guarantee as a customer. And this month, for the past few months, Senegens, I think it started last month, Senegens has waived the sign up fee. I think when I signed up for $55 for a month. For a year. It is like how you do for a Costco membership kind, warehouse membership. So it is like you sign up as $55, but you still have the benefit of going either way. Either you can try to sell it as like me, or you can do it for yourself. So Senegens waived that completely from last month, April, and now May. Even whether you are renewing, whether you are signing up as a new distributor, they have completely waived that, because they wanted to give back to the community. And also by this way, many people will be able to earn from home when they are not able to go out. And each of our packaging from last 2 months, where we were given hand sanitizers free in every possible order, because I think they wanted to give back in different ways. there were so many hand creams and hand sanitizers that's been shipped out to many of the hospitals and facilities. Even the hand sanitizer was just produced for COVID time, and they started shipping out to every distributor. I have had many of those hand sanitizers, and we even had package for our mailman, because I wanted to do it and give it back to, so that way you have they can use it. And so it is like a company which I'm happy to represent, and a product that is really works. That is the happiness I get around Senegens, because a brand that you can trust all the time. And what else I haven't covered? Yes, Divya, really. And as I said, it's not in one time. If anybody have met Joni, they will say it. Like, I mean, she is one of the kindest and softest soul you will meet, but you will see the powerful speech when you hear it, how much she has impacted many women around the world. That is the other thing I really like about. And I think I pretty much covered everything about my Senegens journey this time. As I said, I don't regret not even a single minute why I started this. I have had as I said, I have had so many positive and negative feedbacks all the time. See, you just take the positive and work on the negative. See, negative in the sense, it's not about whether what is it, like demotivating you or something, but it is like it's different in different people's point of view. Like even I think growing up, as I said, we all went to a desk job, we all were comfortable doing that, and stepping out of your comfort zone and doing this itself is like a new thing. So they always, everybody had a question, why I was like, I just want to do it and try it, that's it. Like, I mean, I think you might have seen me wear from a black Lipsons to a blue Lipsons, or but it is nothing to be against it. It is just stepping out of your comfort zone. Sometimes when you step out of that, you will realize how much you have missed it, or what is in the other side of the world. So it's never going to hurt. We all have just one life. So stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something is going to be really helpful. You never know whether you will like it or not. For example, you all know that I've been doing these workouts for the past 45 days. If I am in a desk job, I don't think I'll be this committed and do something, because I will always find a reason not to do it. And there is only one reason for just doing it. It's just to do it. That's it. So for anything, doing this business really helps. I can still finish my cooking or cleaning, or being in the house, enjoying with my friends. I can still talk to my parents, and I can still finish all my business related things. Even at night when no one was there, I can still schedule my post. I can still learn about a new technique, but I have the freedom of doing what I want to do the whole day, and still continue to proceed it. I think from compared to my first year to second year, I had 100% growth, whether it be my sales was 100% increased from my first year to second year. So this is my third year running. I still have, this is May, so I still have June, July, August, September, and October. So if you think of me, like I still have 5 more months to finish my third year, but I'm still way ahead of what I did already. So every year I feel like I'm moving forward, and that is what keeps me going, because my I have had just a group, then I had my Instagram, now I have a Facebook page, I have my WhatsApp group, I have my website, I have my YouTube channel to be precise. So I'm maintaining so much, but not with any pressure. Like everything, I'm spreading out my wings and I'm exploring more and more. So I feel like this is a new person I have discovered in these 3 years, which helped me in my personal growth, which helped me to come out of my depression, which helped me in my financial stability, and gaining these many friends and trusting. So and learning every single day. So I can keep counting the benefits of this journey. So I have my teammates under me. If you have asked me when I joined, I would be like, who is going to join under me? Nobody is going to. If you Now I have 4 people under me, and I actually had 5. One person got stuck in India, unfortunately. Hope she is back and joins me. And but so everything is happening for a reason, and if you believe it, do it. So that's all about my Sanajans journey. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, always feel free to ping me. And if you are watching the replay, type #replay and it will push up, so that way somebody else can watch it. Yeah. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon in a new content later. Bye.